That back sub just went.
Already?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I just watched it spark up.
No way.
Yeah.
Laying hard on it earlier, weren't you?
Yeah, real hard.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Look how easy this is to open it.
You're welcome.
Look how easy that is.
Wasn't it easy to open before?
Nice.
I don't remember.
I spent 47 minutes fucking with that to get that thing to open.
On the side of the highway.
I never had a problem with these back.
How much lithium is this?
95 amp hour.
Really? Only that? Wow. Man. Technology's changed.
It drops pretty hard still, but.
It does, yeah. So what kind of, how many subs are in there now?
4 level 6s still.
Okay. Is it 6th or 4th order?
It's a 6th order.
Okay.
It's tuned to play super low now. Just wanted the wind out of it.
Below 20?
Like down to 13.
Really? Man. Can I go look inside?
Yeah.
Wow. Team DC Audio. Whoa.
Hey, I need my keys. He's got my keys.
Okay. Have you metered this ever since you changed it?
So I metered it before I put a different tune on it.
Yeah.
And it was doing 59s.
And you built it to play lows?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll give you a low song, then I'll have you roll that window up.
Okay.
I'll get a little
Hey, Joss. We'll do a handshake. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walkthrough we got of Dave's system. He made it to the show at TDH in 2021 in Virginia. Did a great job showcasing it. I got a quick little walk around before the demos started, so shout out to you, man. This was the previous link in the description I went ahead and added from his last demo he gave me at the last show. This was when he had a 6th order layout design, a little bit different than the one he has now. So if you look closely behind these back two subs, there is an actual rear port, which makes this a 6th order. The subs are inverted in the top ported chamber. There's also a bottom ported chamber as well. And it has a powerful amplifier for each of these subs. I didn't get the actual ohm load, but I'm going to guess it's between 0.35 and 0.5 ohm per sub, because I know he likes to live dangerously playing lows to get the most out of his amplifiers. With a really beefy electrical system to support. He did have some electrical problems, he was saying, and he actually sparked his subwoofer and blew a coil or a subwoofer during this demo, so you're going to see that happen. Sorry about that, man. Once again, if you're watching, sometimes stuff happens at shows where you're playing full tilt and something just lets rift. He probably was expecting it because he kept an eye on it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Single, Miss Cleo, automatic reload.
Well, I would give you highs, but that back sub just went.
Already?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I just watched it spark up.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah, she was getting hot earlier.
Does it unload more on that one?
I don't know. Yeah, I just lost a touch of lead on it.
Dang. Sorry, man.
No. I figured it was gonna happen, but
You were laying hard on it earlier, weren't you?
yeah, real hard.
Yeah.
But
Sorry about that. Hey, appreciate the demo,
yeah,
man.
I'll recone it and I'll get you at the next show.
Yeah, man. What was your name again?
Dave.
Dave. On Team DC Audio.
Yep.
Good job. Hey, I appreciate the
Yeah.
short, quick demo. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem, man. I knew it was gonna happen. Just a matter of time.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
All
Wow.
right, take it easy, bro.
You too.
Yeah, throw yourself into that door. Like, pull the handle and throw yourself into it. Yeah.
Woo. That's what bass does. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.